Alright, listen up, because this is a big one. Everyone wants to talk about investing, right? We all dream of making our money work for us. But here is the truth that most people skip over: you can't build a house without a foundation. For your finances, that foundation is income. Investing isn't a magic trick to get rich quick. It's about disciplined growth. When you invest without a steady, reliable income, you're not really investing, you're gambling. You're betting the farm on a risky move because you're desperate. But when you have a solid income stream, everything changes. Investing becomes a strategic game. It's about patience and smart choices, not just rolling the dice. So, focus on building your skills first. Create that steady income. Then, you can start investing with confidence and a long-term plan. That's how real, lasting wealth is built. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.